In my last video, I talked about what are the endocrine glands, and we are going to discuss now the four endocrine glands that are present in your book. The first one, thyroid gland, we are going to talk about in this video. And children, now I'm going to tell you where these endocrine glands are located. I told you earlier the endocrine glands and exocrine glands. There are two types of glands. Examples also I have discussed. The hypothalamus, pituitary, pineal are in your brain. Thyroid and parathyroid are in your neck region. Thymus is found between your lungs. Adrenal are on the top of kidneys. And pancreas is behind your stomach. Now, for your information, let me tell you, children, thyroid gland is the largest endocrine gland, and pituitary gland is the most important gland in your body. It's also called as master gland. And pancreas is the largest exocrine gland, and pineal is the smallest exocrine gland. Okay? So in our book, we have to study only four. That is thyroid gland. Then you have got adrenal glands. You have got pancreas and pituitary gland. So we are going to start with the first one, thyroid gland. The thyroid gland is a bilobed gland situated on either side of the windpipe just below the larynx. It releases hormones called thyroxine. That is T4 and triiodothyronine. That is called T3. In your prescription, sometime when you go to doctors and when you go undergo a thyroid test, you will see T3, T4 test. So T4 is the thyroxine test and triiodothyronine test is the T3 test. Okay. Now we move on to the next part. Now we will show you the diagram. So children, I told you about thyroxine. This hormone speeds up the rate of the most of the activities of the body. They contain iodine, okay, and they stimulate growth in infants. The insufficient secretion or the over secretion causes harmful effects on the body. Here you can see the track. This is the trachea. On the top of trachea, you have got larynx, which is called as voice box. Just below the larynx, on both the side of the windpipe, you'll see thyroid gland. This is a front view, this is the back view. Here, this is the food pipe that they are showing you, and then the thyroid gland back side you can see. That means it is present on the either side of the windpipe, where just below the larynx. This is the location of thyroid gland, children. Okay, when you have got insufficient secretion of thyroxine, then what will happen? You will have simple goiter. Simple goiter is where you have enlargement of thyroid gland takes place. In Hindi it is called as ghinga. You'll find some people, their neck is swollen in front, and it is because of the insufficient iodine in your daily diet. So how will you increase your iodine in your daily diet? By having iodized salt, because iodine is required in a very small quantity in our body. Okay, and this iodine is needed for the production of thyroxine. The second insufficient secretion of thyroxine that causes ailment is cretinism. Now it is an ailment which brings about abnormal development in an infant. Both physical and mental retardation takes place, and this condition is called cretinism, and it takes place in the smaller children, where insufficient, that means if the thyroxine is produced less, then it causes mental and physical retardation. Next is myxedema. It is a condition seen in adult. In children it is cretinism, in adult it is myxedema or myxedema as now what you see. It is a condition seen in adult where insufficient amount of thyroxine is produced. It shows general sluggishness. People are not walking very slowly. They get tired very soon, with swelling on their faces and hands. Okay. Now over secretion, they cause metabolic rate increases, heart rate increases, people become fat, that is obesity, and general restlessness. They'll have a restlessness in their body, nor they feel good while sleeping, nor they feel good when they're sitting. Okay, children? Now, this is what is given in your book about thyroid gland. Now, I'm going to do the summary. So, children, what we have studied just now, the insufficient secretion of thyroxine causes simple goiter, cretinism, myxoderma, and oversecretion causes metabolic rate, that is high metabolic rate, heartbeat increases, obesity, and general restlessness. In my next video, I am going to talk to you about adrenal gland and pancreas. Thank you, children.